So how do you add a shortcut to the iPad home screen? Let's get started and let me show you how it would work. If it's your first time in here on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more so you do not miss tutorials like and videos like this one. Anyways, if you are working with the Apple Shortcuts app, you can see that we can start any shortcut. In order to add it to the home screen, all you have to do is just to get inside it, like don't tap on the shortcut because it won't like run it, but tap on the three dots to click on the like edit mode. Then tap the share button and we have the ability to add the icon to the home screen. So you can tap that and decide how it's gonna look basically. So you can change the color, symbol. You have so many like symbols at the bottom, but you can as well switch to the image and pick a photo from the gallery to make sure that that is how the icon is gonna look. There is also the ability to change the text of that icon, so you can like rename it to however you want it to look on the home screen, and then you can just click on add and it's going to be part of your home screen. So that's how you can generally do this. Like you have probably seen some people who have like the customized icons, just like I have the App Store right here, and that is exactly done this way, where I just create a new shortcut which opens up the App Store and I add it to the home screen, but choose a different icon for this shortcut. So it appears as if I changed the way the App Store looks on the home screen. So a lot of people go that route to customize their iPad a bit more. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.